Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Hanan Kamar. Today we are going to learn how to download, install and configure Apache Hadoop 3.3.1. We will perform installation in 4 steps. We will begin with downloading Java and Hadoop. All versions of Hadoop after the release of 3 requires JDK 8, Java Development Kit 8. If you already have JDK 8, you can skip this step. After that, we will set up environment and path variables for Java as well as Hadoop. And in the configuration step, we will edit 5 files and will configure the bin folder of Hadoop, and in the end, we will test if our installation was successful or not. And we are going to code for a word count problem. So this is the website from where we are going to download Apache Hadoop 3.3.1. Simply click on the binary. You will find a mirror link. Click here and your downloading will be started. As I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it out. So this is the website from where we are going to download JDK 8. Simply scroll down for Windows link. If you have 32-bit operating system, click the link in front of it. If you have 64-bit, click here. Check this box, click here. A form will appear. If you already have an account on Oracle, simply sign in, and if not, click create account. Fill this form correctly and click create account. As I already have an account on Oracle, so I'm gonna sign in. Your downloading will be started as soon as you got logged into your account. First we are going to install JDK 8. Watch the steps carefully to avoid any error. As Java is installed successfully, so we are going to install Hadoop now. Watch the steps carefully to avoid any error. Our Hadoop is also installed successfully. Now I'm going to create environment variables for Java. Click new. Name as Java underscore home. Here we have to paste the bin folder address of Java. I'm just copying it and paste it over here. Press OK, and our Java home variable has been created. Now click on path and add a path. Paste the bin folder address over here. Click OK, press OK, and our Java variables have been created. Now I'm going to edit 4 files in Hadoop etc folder: core site.xml, htfs site.xml, mapread.cmd, and yarn site.xml. I will share these configuration files in the description below. Simply delete the old files and paste the new one here. Create a folder data and 2 subfolders, name node and data node. Now I'm going to link this Hadoop /env/cmd file with our Java. Click new, name it as Hadoop underscore home. Paste the address of Hadoop bin folder over here. Press OK. Click on path. Click on new. Add a path. Add another path within sbin folder. Press OK and OK. Open command prompt and type htfs space name node space for dash format and press enter. 2 demons have started. Start yarn. 4 demons have started. They should not shut down. So our Hadoop is working well. Now let's solve a word count problem in Hadoop and check if it is working well or not. I'm gonna read the data from the file data.txt and count the number of words in it. Here cat command is showing us the content of our input file data.txt. Here cat command is showing us the content of our output file, the words and the total count of their occurrence. This is from today's video. I hope you like it.